Coming up on today's program.
We out here in it for real.
Join us as Pastor Matt Anderson maps out some practical strategies for you to understand God's plan for your success.
Praise the Lord, Cyber Sanctuary family. This is Pastor Matt Anderson trying to, as you can see, dig myself out of this 18, 19 inches of snow and still counting. Looks like it's going to be a historic blizzard here in the Washington metropolitan area. If you know what, if you can't get dug out by tomorrow's Sunday service, or if you're going to be stuck for the next couple of days, we invite you to go on to graceandtruthbc.org. That's our website, graceandtruthbc.org. Click on the media link, and there's a lot of wonderful video teachings and podcasts online for you, so you can not miss church service.
Gotta dig my way out just to dig my way out.
Let's see. It's about 1.5 feet of snow on the car. Oh. That wasn't supposed to happen. And I'm trying to get us out of here in time for Sunday service, so we can bring you a message from the Lord. But if I'm not able to do it, you can always go to graceandtruthbc.org. Just log on to graceandtruthbc.org. And I'm trying to get out of the way because there's about 4 feet of a snowdrift on my roof, and I don't want to be under it when it falls. Hopefully I can get us out of here by Tuesday night Bible study. Y'all pray for a brother.